Hello, my name is John Gleason. I am in Dr. J's class on Mondays and Wednesdays at 12:30 and MAR 4824, and today I am presenting the Tableau project. So, first of all, when I started out, I downloaded the data set. I first started by analyzing the information we had. You can obviously see it's a marketing campaign. So you go through and I kind of see, okay, year of birth, education, marital status. It kind of gives us all the basic information, income, kids of home, all things that could kind of affect what products we're selling, how much of those products we're selling, and what kind of campaigns are working or not. So I went through and you can just see that each one is just either a check, a yes or a no if they applied. So I started off with kind of looking at, okay, here's our actual data set, here's what was working and what wasn't. So the number of responses in total compared to everything else. So we can see obviously here, okay, this one's not working, these two are doing better, this one's alright, this one's so maybe focus on these two. That's kind of what that's telling me to start off with. Onto the second visualization. I kind of wanted to see what factors played in helping with our campaigns. So I looked at education, and the first thing you can see here is anyone with a basic education is kind of not looking at any of our campaigns. Our highest area is in graduates, then masters, then PhD. So we should definitely be focusing our campaign efforts towards people that have graduated with a degree. And it seems that actually like our third and fourth are doing the best with graduates. And if maybe we wanted to shoot for area where we're not usually in, our third campaign might be a good option to explore, considering that they're the only two that do good in the basic and second cycle education programs. Alright, on to our third visualization. Here I wanted to see kind of how our year of birth affected our products. So here we have all our products, and up here you can see the year that people were born. So you see this kind of big spike kind of in the same area. So you track along here and you can see, okay, gradually we're going up. Something happens usually in the 60s. But then we go up and we can see that, and we're very popular in the 70s with our products. Again, here you can see our peak is in the 70s. Something happened to the people in 67. We must have made them mad or something. Again here, 70, 75, 75. So again, maybe we can focus our targeting campaigns. What that tells me is on people's of the 70s. You know, maybe we can look at things that happen in the 70s, go on in the 70s, and kind of gradually move our targeting towards that kind of era. The last visualization I wanted to make was I wanted to get a measurement of marital status on how and where they were making their purchases. That way we could see where we should focus our campaigns at, or what our campaign should be on, and for where our product should be. And as you can see, for almost everyone, and married, divorced, single, together, all of them, their biggest number is number of in-store purchases. So you can see here, all of them have in-store purchases as their number one. So we should definitely be focusing on that as our number one campaign. And then next would be web purchases. So after that, we have our dashboard that you can see everything here. You can interact with all of it. And outside of that, it was very interesting to analyze all the data and kind of see where it was and see it from a marketer's point of view. Thank you so much and have a great day.